welcome to Vlogmas day 2. So I am not gonna lie, I'm exhausted right now because I was up until about 3:30 last night finishing yesterday's video, and part of that is because I had to do the intro as well, which I procrastinated, and like I can blame no one other than myself. But I babysat last night, and by the time I got home it was like almost midnight. So I got that video done though, and I'm about to go upload it. It's about 8 right now, I think. I woke up like really early today. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. and I work at 10, so as long as I get my video started before I go to work, I'll be able to get it up, so I'll be good. So I work 10 to 4 today, and then tonight my parents are coming here for this like Garth Brooks thing that's on TV. And first of all, we all really like Garth Brooks, but also the last time he did this type of performance, my mom was pregnant with me, so I don't know, my family just thinks that it's a really good idea to watch. I just stripped my bed and I have clothes everywhere, so ignore that. But for work, I'm wearing this black dress, and I actually found it at a consignment store, but it's like a wrap dress, so on the top it kind of crisscrosses and then it's elastic at the waist. It's so pretty. It's like kind of flowy. It's from Old Navy, but it still had the tags on it. So I'm wearing this dress for work because it's supposed to be about 60 degrees today, so I want to take advantage of the warm weather. And then I'm just wearing these studs from J. Crew. Actually, both my bracelet and my earrings are from J. Crew Factory, so I like that they're both kind of like sparkly. And then for shoes, I don't have them on yet, but I'm gonna wear my lace-up ballet flats. So I have to do my makeup and leave soon to get this video uploaded. But other than work and that Garth Brooks thing tonight, I don't really have anything planned, so today's probably gonna be kind of boring. So I just finished getting ready for work, and I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with the complete outfit. So these are the shoes that I was talking about. I got them from American Eagle at least like 2 years ago, and they are one of my favorite pairs of work shoes because I can wear them with pants, I can wear them with dresses, and they are so comfortable. And then this is what my makeup looks like. I kept it like pretty natural. For my eyes, I have my Amber Rush shadow from L'Oreal that's so old, but I love the color. And then on my lips, I have Coco K from Kylie. And of course, I'm gonna grab some Starbucks while I'm out because what else would I be doing? Could I get a venti iced vanilla coffee with cream, please?
Certainly. Anything else on good for you?
Nope, that's all.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Erin, won't you help Grandma?
Of course.
We've got to swap out the dishes. Bring out the holiday dishes.
4 stacks.
1, 2, and then there's a little one in the back, but I think those might be saucers. I'm not sure. Yes, please.
Do you want it out on the dining room table?
No, we're not going to use those to eat. We're putting those in the closet.
There's hair in my eye.
Would you like them? Would you like the fall ones for your hope chest? Because Danielle claimed the Christmas
I don't have
ones.
a hope chest.
Well, I told you everybody needs a hope chest.
Are you hoping that she has a chest?
Yeah, I'm hoping I get a chest. I didn't get that, Jean.
We must.
No, tell
We
me.
must increase our must. We
Dude,
must.
why aren't you recording this?
Because I'm in the background.
No, Grandma, do it again. Do it for the vlog.
No.
Do it for the vlog.
I'm not doing the vlog.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Grandma, do your boob dance.
No, I'm not.
Do
doing
your boob dance.
I'm not doing a boob dance. I'm out of this now.
What's going on?
It's not recording.
Tells me that it is.
Mom, you should vlog.
I don't think that anybody would want to watch what I have. So what's new?
Nothing, I'm tired.
Are you? Why are you tired?
Because I slept for 3 hours last night.
Why?
So I could upload Vlogmas day 1.
So what are you doing for Vlogmas day 2?
Whole lot of nothing.
Oh.
God.
Hi, Liz. How are you?
Is it a house or just like a
What's
story?
going on?
Nope, that looks like a house.
No, counting down the days till I'm done with Oakmont.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's Oakmont for all of the viewers who have no idea what Oakmont
The
is?
Oakmont Bakery, we create delicious memories.
I have a friend who every holiday stands in line. Hey, Mark.
doesn't like this. I asked him yesterday.
I heard that Erin had a lot of fun Friday night at your house.
Oh yeah, she had a lot of fun playing the Switch.
Cool.
Okay, what's left
He's
here?
flicking you off.
I can read.
You can read?
I can. Sign language.
Do you know you were zoomed in?
Of course I'm zoomed in. I was looking up your nose.
You don't need to zoom in that much. I have big nostrils.
So where were those embarrassing stories that we were telling last week?
Are we talking about how Erin?
Was that the most embarrassing one we could come up with?
That's not going in this video. Stupidest
household.
thing that I did as a kid.
Stupidest thing that you did as a kid.
I know what you're gonna say.
You're gonna think I'm gonna say the haircutting story.
Yeah.
I mean, that probably wasn't your brightest moment, but I think you had aspirations in preschool to be all things beauty, all things
All to beauty, all things beauty.
All in one place.
all in one place way back then. Because you took your play school scissors and you cut your friend's hair. And
Alyssa,
you were
right?
not allowed to have... No, you weren't in preschool with her.
Oh.
She was just a neighbor. You were not allowed to have scissors then for the rest of the year.
What else?
Stupid. You packed up your stuff and decided you were going to move out. You just started walking down the street. Middle school. Where are you going, Erin? Erin, come on. You need to come back home. No, I'm leaving.
I was thinking about that the other day.
Erin, come on. You're coming. I'm leaving. I don't want to be home. Okay, in middle school, you were very late for school almost every single day.
And that
Every
didn't
single
change
day.
in high school.
I got tired of driving you to school because I had to get to work at a certain time. And you missed the bus. But you only just missed the bus because we could see it. So we got in the car and we drove behind the bus. And we drove and we drove. And the first stop Erin wouldn't get out of the car. The second stop I pulled up behind the bus and I said, "Get out, you're getting on your bus." And you turned at me and you said, "You're such a..."
I'm not putting this in my video.
Why, 'cause you're an awful child.
You asked a question.
You did so much stupider stuff.
Yeah, he would go out and play in the woods and not tell me, and it was pre-cell phones, and I'd have no idea where he was.
Hi, Gina.
Oh, I know. You were not even... Maybe you were still in preschool. We lived in New Jersey. Caitlin was probably 1, you were 3. Maybe Caitlin was 2 and you were 4. Something like that. We were at Walmart. I don't know what... We were just shopping at Walmart. Usually there was a McDonald's in the Walmart, so we'd go, you'd get your Happy Meal, and then you'd shop peacefully. We got into the van and I realized that you had something in your pocket. Some little tiny something that you just decided that you had to have. I had no idea you had it. And I said, "Oh my gosh, Erin, you stole that." And I made you go into customer service and tell them that you took it and give it back.
Did I cry?
That? No. You were
What was
very...
it? Do you remember?
I don't remember. It was like a little eraser. I mean, it was something stupid. It had to have been small because it fit in her pocket. But she had to have it. And she took it.
Mm-hmm.
And then she gave it back. She said, "I took this without paying for it."
Dad used to give me bubble baths and use your shampoo.
That doesn't surprise me.
Grandma, everyone's telling stories. What's yours? Oh, do you want to tell your airplane story?
Not now, I don't, no.
When you busted a undercover cop that was trying to bust a drug thing and you ruined it for everyone?
I ruined it for the cops, not for the people flying.
Do you want me to tell the story?
I don't care if you want to, honey.
Okay. My grandma's airplane story is when they were flying and there was a guy that she thought was really sketchy, so she wouldn't get on the flight until they figured out what was his deal, and then it turns out that he was an undercover cop and she ruined the whole thing. Okay guys, so that is all that I got for Vlogmas Day 2. I'm actually going to continue this video into tomorrow. I worked 10 to 4 today, so it's not like I can vlog when I'm at work. And there are going to be a lot of days like that, so I will just do my best. But it's like 10 o'clock right now, and I have no clue how I'm still awake because I'm not even kidding when I say that I got 3 hours of sleep last night. So I'm about to shower, and I have to wake up really early tomorrow to go babysit, so I will be up probably by 6. So I'll go ahead and just vlog in the morning and continue this video into tomorrow, like I said. So I will talk to you in the morning. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day, what, 3? Sure. Is today December 3rd? Yeah. I think so. Whose video are you, oh, what are you watching?
Jeremy.
I don't know who that is. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna hold it on you the whole time. Look at Dasher in the background, just like All he cares about is your waffle right now.
Yep.
You just hit me in the face with that. You want to tell everyone a story?
I couldn't find my headphones, so I
Yeah.
have to use these ones.
She's not very happy about that.
As you can tell,
So, what are we doing right now?
waiting for the bus.
We do this every morning. We sit in my car, listen to music, and wait for the bus.
The Siri just went off.
Okay, Siri, I see you.
Oh!
Oh.
No.
Not my car.
I don't know what you mean by.
I'm turning off Siri.
Oh, that's a good idea. The sun just came out.
A G.
It's bright. Okay, guys, so I just got to work and I have had such an off morning, and I know that I really try not to like talk about stuff like this on my channel. Like I try to stay really positive, and like I don't even know if I'm gonna put this whole vent session in this vlog because I don't like promoting stuff like that, but some mornings it literally just feels like everything goes wrong. Like in the scheme of things, like all these things that are bothering me right now are going to blow over. But the main thing that I'm really frustrated about right now is that this earring is stuck on my ear. I cannot get the back off of it, and I'm afraid that I'm going to like rip my earlobe from trying to take it off. And I'm like really mad that it's stuck because these earrings are the ones, Brittany, if you're watching this vlog, like I don't want you to think that I don't like the earrings because I love them. They're the ones that Starfish Project made in honor of 5'1" teacher, and I love the earrings. I just put the back on wrong on this earring, and it's frustrating because it's like they're supposed to be such a happy and good thing, and I found a way to mess it up. But I know that's not a good attitude. I just got to work and I need to just give myself a little pep talk and get over all this stuff. So yeah, it's just been a morning. Even now, just like venting about it to you guys has made me feel a little bit better. I should just laugh about the whole earring situation instead of like getting frustrated over it. But I don't know, I'm also hungry, so that never helps anything. But like I said, I just got to work, so I need to go. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna wrap up this vlog now. I came home from work, I ate dinner, and I actually got asked to babysit tonight. So I'm just gonna end the vlog now. I know that yesterday and today I didn't really vlog too much, so if you guys don't want me to keep vlogging on days like that, then let me know. But that's what a lot of my days are like. I work, well I babysit in the mornings and then I work, and then I babysit at night sometimes. So yeah, today ended up being a little bit better than my morning was. Work was fine. Once I get there I always get put into a better mood. I was just stressed this morning. So thank you guys for watching this vlog, and like I said, let me know if you don't want me to vlog days like this. Some days I might vlog at work, but most of the time obviously I'm working, so I'm not going to. So that is all that I have for you. Probably the most boring vlog ever, but I will go ahead and talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.